All right, guys, this is the beginning of the assembly process. It's going to be a multi-part video. I'm going to have some time-lapse videos in here as well. And then hopefully part 6 will be the demonstration of this thing playing in action. Got the back panel torn apart. I got it polyurethane and stained. And that'll go on last, obviously. So yeah. And then, well, the ports will go, the extensions will go on, and then the back panel will go on once all the speakers are done. All right, here we go. So as you can see, I got the first one done. We're working on the other two next. I'm gonna go measure in and see what I can use as it cuts it pretty close, but still gonna work. So I'll continue to do that for these two. And then next thing is gonna be putting in the speakers. So I won't bore you with the next two plexiglass windows, but I will do another time lapse here of the speaker installation. I'm gonna see if I can put the other camera inside the speaker box. So, all right, stay tuned. So I know I said I was gonna have a video of the installation of the speakers. I had to basically crawl inside this thing to install everything, so it was just easier just to do it and get it done. You guys have seen this before with the rear mounting of all the speakers. This is my first one that's ever been LED lit up. Look, some of the acrylic windows, and the 3.5 inch point source. Dayton audio drivers are crossed at 800 hertz, and then these, the two 8 inches for left and right, are they're on full range. See how they sound. If maybe these are too bright, I'll put a crossover on them. Probably don't need them. The 3.5s do have the Eminence 5-inch mid bass isolation. Kind of like a baffle that bolts onto the back. Parts Express handles. Some 4-inch PVC ports. Got the light switch. It's just a, what do you call that? 3.5, I think, millimeter. Got the speak-on connections. I'll hook this up tomorrow and we'll test it. Corner protectors from Parts Express as well. And here's the access cover on the back with the acrylic window as well. Another port on the other side. This one has the acrylic window. The other side was going to. I kept cracking the acrylic over and over again. So I decided to mill up a thin piece of cedar and mount everything over here. It's a lot stronger anyway. I've never worked with the acrylic before, so kind of a learning experience. Got the big 2.5 inch rubber feet, speaker feet on the bottom. And then cedar on top, on the sides. The bottom is Douglas fir, the other is some sort of other pine, and then some butcher block birch that I had laying around and milled up. Just stuff from Home Depot. But all of this is from cedar trees cut down locally here in Michigan, along with the black walnut and the ironwood. Hopefully I can get a demo of this thing tomorrow. Yeah. Then I'll give a quick little video of this what it looks like with the lights off. Later, guys. This thing turned out nice.